funny face, huh?
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany Garcia and this is a lovely masterpiece of a life. I completely forgot to film my intro to this video, so I have an intro of me just talking over what I'm doing right now. But thank you so much for tuning in today. On this particular day, which was Monday today, I had just a bunch of random chores, and I feel like that's the case most of the time. I try to have some kind of themed video for you guys, but this is a whole bunch of just like random catching up stuff that I had to do today. I absolutely love how Bethany hands me her clothes to fold, and she'll grab things out of the basket and pretend she's folding as well. She is 2 and 4 months old, and this stage is super fun with her. It's so exciting to see how much she can do and the things she's learning and growing in.
Sunrise in West Virginia, sleep talking on the front porch, running barefoot to a creek. We learned to drive the van, then we had to hide it from the fishermen. 2 French braids made believing, like my own sister. Our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Counting up our crawdads, both of us 8 years old. Clawfoot tub ran only cold.
As per usual, this room is always a mess, but not a huge disaster. I do need to pick up a few things. I need to vacuum. I've been trying to vacuum in this room at least once a day because it is so nasty. When I leave it longer than that, it's just so gross, because since the dining room is right over here and the front door is right there, and then just crumbs get everywhere and dust and dirt from outside. So I've been trying to do this every day, and it really does need it. And I'm gonna mop the floors. I also have a little bit of laundry to do. Unfortunately, it completely slipped my mind to put Bethany in a diaper during her nap time, so everything is wet. She's potty training and she's doing really well during the day, but during nap times and bedtime she has to wear a diaper still. So I'm gonna do that, and then I have to make a grocery list because we're gonna go grocery shopping. It's Monday today, and you'll be seeing this tomorrow, so gotta do those few things. I've been trying to really stay motivated with cleaning and staying on top of my house, and so yesterday Roberto helped me to completely clean the whole house, and we didn't film it because it was an utter chaos in here, and I really needed to focus on just cleaning it up. But we started with a good base, and I'm recording another video that will be up at some point depending on when I sell the items. I'm doing a thrift flip, and that video is going to be very, very fun for me because thrift flipping, and well, it really wasn't a thrift find, but you call them thrift flips. It was something I found on Facebook Marketplace, and flipping furniture is something that I really enjoy doing. It's something that is super fun. It's kind of like finding a diamond in the rough and beautifying it, making it work again, and having somebody buy pieces of furniture from you is very, very satisfying if you love makeovers like I do. And so anyways, that video will be coming out soon. I'm also using that video as an opportunity to show you guys how you can really have a house that you really love and a home that serves you and your family for the needs that you have, even if you don't have a budget for it, by flipping furniture. So that's really fun. I have had a lot of fun making over the pieces that I'm doing. I'm almost finished with it, so that video will be out very soon. Hopefully I will sell it very quickly. So there's a little teaser for you, but let's get right into cleaning up the floors and doing some laundry.
You want to say hello, puppy? This is my first little puppy, and she used to be in all my videos, and you got a really dirty face, huh? You got a dirty face? What?
Oh, we can't have pasties right now.
No pasties right now. Okay, here. Let's go eat some lunch.
In the middle of the night, we found bats in the loft with our flashlights. We were together, that made it alright. Like my own sister, our souls we together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister. Our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget.
On quite a few of my videos lately, I've done like a podcast style voiceover, and you guys seem to be really enjoying it, and so I'm going to do more of those as well. But this video, I wanted to keep it pretty simple. I'm a little bit behind with my video schedule, so as much as I love doing podcast style, it does take a little bit more preparation, but I am excited for all of the videos for December. I have so many ideas of different video ideas to film for you guys. I'm really excited for my Christmas clean and decorate with me, and my Christmas, I might do a Christmas haul, and I'm kind of, I guess a little bit old-fashioned about decor. I really, really love fall, and my birthday is November 11th, and I love Thanksgiving. And to me, growing up, I just always had, fall decorations out around my birthday and Thanksgiving time. And so I've just carried on that tradition as well. I may eventually back up when I put out my Christmas decor, but normally I usually do it like the first week of December. However, I do really love Christmas as well. I just try to squeeze all of the goodness I can out of fall, and so that's why my fall decor is still out right now. But also, I wanted to mention, I did not go back into this room and put everything away. In fact, everything is still on my table, and I am not going to clean that up right now because I'm about to go to bed. It is like 1:30 in the morning, but there's no shame in that. Like, there is no shame in when you have little kids and you're trying to get a whole bunch of stuff done, and then we had to go get groceries after this, and then I had to put the girls to bed, and now I'm doing this video right now. There's no shame in not being able to do everything all in one day. My floors are clean, they're sparkling, and really that's all that matters right now to me, because my rest is more important. But obviously I do try to get most things done most days. So that's just a little bit of encouragement for you, because I know how difficult it can be to get all things done every time you clean or every time you have a moment during the day.
I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you are all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Oh, I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young.
you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, and I believe that every young woman can create a lovely masterpiece of a life. So I hope you'll join me on that journey, and thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you very soon, you guys. Much love. Bye.
Driving somewhere in your car, we can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars.